What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to use the new Autotune modern rap on Bandlab, man. And this is gonna be a simple, short video, man. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. I appreciate all the support, and I enjoy making these Bandlab videos for y'all because it's fun, and you know it's actually working. So hey, if we get 100 likes on this video, man, I'm gonna give y'all a free preset to this song. But without further ado, let's get into the video, man. So first things first, I would just like to say when I was testing out the new Autotunes, it kind of sounds weird if you're using it for a main vocal. So I feel like you guys should use it for more of a background blend, and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that in the video. All right, now I'm about to put y'all on my main rap vocal preset, man. You can use this with Autotune. This is a really good preset, but yeah, let's get into it. A Digicomp compressor, we got an EQ3 equalizer, and pause the video if you need to, but you know, let's make this video nice and quick, man. Nothing too stressful, but back to it. We got the noise gate, we got the graphic EQ, we got our de-easer, our Tech Lab compressor, our graphic EQ, and last but not least, the Space Maker reverb, aka the best reverb on Bandlab. All right, now that you got the free preset, I'm about to be showing y'all the song to give y'all a good example on how I use the new Autotune, and then yeah, we're gonna close the video off, man. But make sure y'all smash that like button, man. But let's get back into the video.
You know I'm fucking with you, baby, you the baddest. You know I'm fucking with you, baby, you the baddest.
Now, you can try the robot voice and all that, but what I'm really familiar with for now is the modern rap. Now, when I start getting used to these other ones, man, I'm gonna start dropping banger videos on those, man. But I'm still learning. We just got that modern rap for now. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, man. You already know the vibes. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.